inspiring filmmakers out there. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of video editing from CapCut, a free and user-friendly software that can help you create high-quality videos. First things first, download CapCut on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and let's get started. Step 1. Choose your video format. CapCut offers a range of options like square, vertical, or horizontal formats. Depending on where you want to share your masterpiece, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Step 2. Add your clips. Now, it's time to add your footage. Tap on Music, select Video, and you're ready to go. You can also add music if you like. Step 3. Trim and cut your clips. CapCut makes it super easy to edit and trim your clips by simply dragging the edges of each clip within the frame. And don't forget to adjust the volume for both audio tracks using the volume slider. Step 4. Fun effects and filters. CapCut boasts an array of fun effects and filters to enhance your videos. To explore these options, tap on Effects. You can also add text by tapping Text. For transitions between clips, tap on Transitions. Experiment with these features until you find the perfect blend for your video. Step 5. Share and save your work. Finally, tap on Done. Give your masterpiece a title and a description. Then choose where to share it directly from the app.